Welcome back guys to my brand new tutorial. In today's video we're going to learn how to send emails using Django and Python. Alright, so as I said in this video we're going to learn how to send emails using Django and Python. But the first thing I wanted to do is actually create a new Django project. So I suppose you already have yours with some kind of contact form or whatever you want to send emails from. But once you created your project and made basic stuff you need, now we can actually start building this functionality. So the first thing we want to do is actually don't do anything in Django. The first thing we want to do is create a new project in our Gmail so we can actually send emails using Gmail provider. So to do that you want to go to your Gmail account right here and click on manage your Google account. And the first thing we want to do is actually check inside of your security tab right here to check if this two-step verification has this check mark on. If it doesn't, this won't work, so you need to do it. So just click on that and add your phone number or whatever step you want to do, but I suggest you use your phone number to actually enable this two-step verification. And once you did, you want to grab this URL right here. So until you see this security, you should delete this security, and just right here type app passwords, just like this. So and 3 P's and then passwords. So now once you click enter right here, you should go to this page right here. So just enter your password you have, and once you click enter you should go to this page right here. And as you can see, I already have my app password right here created on January 10th, and that is just for my newsletter application. You can get a free PDF guide on how to help you pass the beginner stage and escape the tutorial hell. But you want to create a new one for yourself to make your contact form or whatever you want to send emails from. So right here you should make a app name for your app password. So I will call mine Tests 2000. Alright, and once you click make right here, you should see this device app password. Now you need to copy it and click done right here. Now you can go to your Django application and just copy it right here so you don't forget it. Alright, so now I will copy all of this code, but yeah, you can just write it yourself, since yeah, I'm not going to go in details of this code. This is just the code you want to use to actually send emails from Gmail. This is your email you want to send your emails from. This is the app password you got right here, and just ports so you can actually send those emails. And now these two things, you see I commented this email backend and actually set this one to be true. Now what this means, so I used this email backend for my application, and for some reason it stopped working. So it worked for like a month and then stopped working. So I actually deleted this and put this right here. But this is for my main.backend, so you need to actually create that file. So go right here in our main application and create a new folder called backends. And for the file name, you want to actually type email backend.h.py, sorry. Alright, and actually I got this idea from a YouTuber. I forgot his name. I would give him a shout out, but I forgot. I'm sorry. If I found him, I will actually link it in the description. But yeah, just copy this code right here. You can get it from my GitHub, link in the description also. So right here, just save this file, and yeah, I'm not going to go in details, but yeah, it is just the email backend to actually send the emails, not via the Gmail, but using the Python script actually. Alright, and now once you're in our HTML file, now we want right here to type our form tag so we can actually grab this data from these input tags and button tags in our Django backend to actually send emails, right? So right here just type form and with the method of post, and that's everything we need. And we also need to close it, so it is right here. And we also need a CSRF token, so right here just type it CSRF token, that's it. And yeah, we got everything. Now we can start actually building the backend for that. Alright, so the first thing we want to do to actually make this backend work is from django.core.mail import this send mail function right here. And what this does, this just helps us actually send the email right away using this one line of code. So yeah, just right here we want to first of all type if request.method is equal to post. And now why we need to check that? This is because in our index right here we're using this form tag right here with the method of post, which just means when the user clicks a button, this data will be posted to our server, and we can get it if this request.method is actually post. So right here, just under this, you want to type your credentials you typed inside of our input tags. So you need to type this name field right here to actually get this data from our form. So just type name fields if you don't have them already, and type whatever name you want. I usually call it your name and your email if I'm getting those two things. And just type right here your name, and when you need to use underscore right here for the variable names, and just type request dot post dot get, and then that your name inside of that name field. So I can actually copy this and just change this name to be email. And that's it. We got these two data from our input tags, and now we want to actually use them to send the email. So right here just type send mail, and you want to type this normal brackets, and inside of this we need four things. The first one will be the title of this email. So right here let's just type hello and then your underscore name, and we need this to be a f string, so this will just type hello and then the name the user provided inside of those input tags. And the second thing is actually a message you want to type, so let's just type right here hello inside a message. I don't know what I'm typing, but yeah, this is just for the testing. You will type your business information or whatever you need inside of your projects, really. And the third thing we need is actually from email. So from what email do you want to send this data from, or these emails from? So you want to go to your settings.py and just copy the email you provided there. So yeah, you want to put it inside of the quotation marks. And the last thing we need is actually two emails. So to what email are we sending this to? And you just want to use this your email variable right here to send those emails to. And the last thing we need is the fail silently, and set it to false, and this just returns a error, debugging error, so we can later on see why this didn't work, if it didn't actually work. Alright, and that's it. We made everything. So yeah, just a reminder, make sure you have this name field right here and display it, the names of those fields. And yeah, we can now check it. So go to your index page, refresh this a couple of times, and let's put a name and also email. So let's, for the name, just type Jordan right here. And for the email, I actually have my test email right here. So yeah, I just created it right away to actually I don't want to share my real emails. So just put that email right here, and let's click sign up. And we're waiting. Well, let's see if it works. Alright, it looks like it did work, so we can now check it. So go to your inbox right here and refresh this page. And it usually doesn't show in our primary tab. I don't know, for some emails it does, for some it doesn't. This is really a spammy email, like hello Jordan and hello inside a message. This is really a spammy email, and this is why it is in the spam folder. For my actual newsletter application, it really goes to the primary tab, but yeah, I don't know. I think it is because of the messages. It really looks like a bot message. So yeah, you see it right here. It is actually sent inside of our tutorials123 email account. And yeah, that's it. If you like this video, make sure to check out the pinned comment of this video. I made a free PDF guide on how to help you pass the beginner stage and escape the tutorial hell. And also, I have got another great video right here on the screen. Make sure to check it out, and I'll see you in that one.